Once you get in the car, make sure turn the vehicle on, turn the temperature settings to blue, turn the instruments to max AC, and turn the fan on high. You can feel the air to see how warm it is, and that can give you a rough estimate on how much AC you need to put in. Pull the hood switch to release the hood. On cars and doing small things like
Leave
this,
the driver window down.
I always want to have the
driver's side window down.
Got my can of Freon, my pressure gauge. I'm gonna go down and twist it down nice and tight, nice and snug. When you come up under the hood, where you're going to snap things together is on the passenger side over the right fender. I'm gonna remove the cap, and I'm gonna take the female part of the connector and snap it down on top of the male port right here. So here, as I push down, you hear that little snap. Make sure it's nice and snug. I have my can. And you see that we have something in there, but I'm going to top it off. Twist a couple of times, left to right, left to right, left to right. Hold up that down a little bit. Wait and repeat. It's taking this whole can. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be twice as cold in there when I get back in. I think it's empty. This, I'm going to unsnap it and put the cap right back on and get back inside and check everything out. Put the cap back on, nice and snug. Once you get into the vehicle, you checking the air, the temperature is down, it's nice and cool. Everything set in and it held. Thumbs up. You're going to start turning everything off. You turn the fan off. You turn the main switch back into the off position, off of the max air, and turn the car off, and you are as good as gold.